Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Nissan Rogue SV. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 inline 4-cylinder with 170 horsepower and 175 pounds of torque. 17-inch wheels. A dark gray cloth interior. Around back, Rogue SV all-wheel drive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, power seats. Hop it in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, USB and auxiliary port, heated seats. This Nissan Rogue has 24,609 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Rogue SV, check out feldmanimports.com.